Alright, here's a little tip if you're putting up some railings and you got to put the balusters in. Instead of measuring each one individually, what I do is I take the center from one post to the other, get the center one, level it out, put it in place, and make myself a little jig or template, whatever you want to call it, and it fits right against the one that you already installed. And of course, get these pre-drilled, put the screws in already so it'll be easier for you to work by yourself. Put it right against it and you screw it in and you just move this on and you keep going until you fill it all up. And on the bottom you can do the opposite, just turn the piece over, you can lean it like that and put the next one against it and you keep going. As I said, pre-drill them, put the screws in, it'll be much easier for you to work by yourself. As you can tell, on that side's already done, and it makes work so much easier. Oh, one other thing you gotta mention, I have to mention, is when you do use this as a template, don't put the top piece yet. If not, this won't work. Once it's all done, then you can put your top piece. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.